Hello, let me show you how to add a photo to a contact on POCO X7 Pro. So we're gonna open the phone app. Of course, at the bottom you want to make sure that you have contacts shown, and then we want to select the contact for which we want to use a photo. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one. In order to add a photo, we need to press this pen icon in the top right corner, and now we can press add picture here. Now we can choose to open the camera in order to take the picture, or we can go to the gallery and choose one of the photos that we have in our gallery. So let's say I'm gonna choose this photo over here. Of course, we can pinch to zoom in or zoom out, and we can change the position of the photo so we can still adjust it, and we can also rotate the photo by using this button in the middle over here above, choose. Once you are done with the photo, press choose, and there we go. Remember to save the contact by pressing save over here in the top right corner. Later on, if you decide to change the photo, then as you can see over here, we have the option to change or even remove the photo completely. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!